Tropical Storm Hermine formed Friday in the eastern Caribbean Sea and forecasts show it strengthening into a major Category 3 hurricane as it potentially approaches Florida by the middle of next week. It would be the first hurricane to hit the mainland U.S. this year. The National Hurricane Center said the system is expected to hit Cuba early next week as a hurricane and then Florida on Wednesday. The NHC added residents in Cuba, the Florida Keys and the Florida Peninsula should have hurricane plans in place, though it's too soon to determine the exact magnitude and location the hurricane will impact. Should the system get into the Gulf of Mexico, which appears to be one of the more likely. As of 5 p.m. EDT, the depression was located about 430 miles east-southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. It had maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour and was moving at 15 miles per hour. A depression becomes a named tropical storm when its sustained winds reach 39 miles per hour. It becomes a hurricane once its winds reach the 74 miles per hour. Fiona heads for Canada. Hurricane Fiona hurtles through Bermuda, Atlantic Canada braces for historic storm. The Hurricane Center said Friday, on the forecast track, the center of the cyclone is forecast to move across the central Caribbean Sea through Saturday, pass south of Jamaica on Saturday night. Hurricane classifications. What is the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind speed scale? Early next week, the system is forecast to move near or over western Cuba as a strengthening hurricane and then approach the Florida Peninsula at or near major hurricane strength, with the potential for significant impacts from storm surge, hurricane force winds, and heavy rainfall, the hurricanes say. Fiona's damage in Puerto Rico. See the scope of Hurricane Fiona's damage in Puerto Rico in charts and graphics. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis tweeted Friday that while the eventual track of TD9 is uncertain, Floridians should remain vigilant and ensure their households are prepared for a potential impact.